All right, guys, welcome to PK's Gaming World. Today we're doing two-box break, eBay break of 2018 Unparalleled football. Today is January 23rd, 2018. All right, guys, let me fix the focus. Usually, I like to set the focus to right where the card is, so that way we don't have to mess around with zooming in and out. All right. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's pull fire, guys. Box one. There's 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. And then there's 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia. Good luck, guys. Let's pull fire. All right, and empty box. We got 4 packs here, 4 packs here. All right, guys, good luck. Let's see. Is the camera a little bit too low? There we go. All right. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's hope we pull something big. We got Sam Darnold. I think it was like a back-to-back break for Mixer last time. We got one yesterday, and then we got one the other night. Sam Darnold came out for Mixer, which is pretty neat. All right, good luck, everybody. Oh, you're right. It's 2018. Let me fix that really quick. 2019. There you go. January 1st, 2000. January 23rd, 2019. It's not 18. I'm still trying to get used to the 2019. Still trying to get used to the year. So I'm still trying to get used to putting 2019. I still putting 2018 on a lot of my paperwork. All right. Haas caught that. All right. There's going to be 2018 limited for football coming out next week. Next week, it got pushed back to the 30th. All right, guys, last pack. Yeah, I'm still right. 2018. Keep forgetting to put that's 2019. All right, guys, good luck. First box, first card. Good luck, guys. Miles Jack, Antonio Brown, Bale Pauls, Mike Hughes, and a Keenan Allen. This one should be number to 200. Yep, 187 out of 200 for the Charger. Andy Dalton, Ronnie Harrison, Riley Ferguson. Then we got John Timu, Joey Boza, DeAndre Carter, Lorenzo Carter, Ronald Jones, 144 of 150 to the Buccaneer. Ronald Jones, nice looking card. Kelvin Ridley, DeAndre Burnett, Quadre Henderson, then Brennan Scarlett, Khalil Mack, Joel Carriage, Christian Kurt. It's not numbered. Got Matthew Stafford, should be out of 200. Got 149 of 200. Antonio Brown, Corey Robertson, and then Darwin James. Pretty neat. We got Joel Bitonio, Ryan Quinsley, Leonard Fournette, DeAndre Carter. This one's not numbered. This one's numbered. Jaden Mickens, 139 of 150. Jaden Mickens. Deshaun Watson, Lavon Coleman, Leighton Vinderage, Patrick Mahomes, Alvin Kamara, Patrick Richard, and Mike Hall. And then we got a blank cardboard. Still looking for hits. I thought I saw it somewhere around here, but all right. Deion Kane. This one should be numbered. 182 of 200. Colts. Jim Kelly. Deontay Jackson. Royce Freeman. Matt Ryan. Is it JD? Yeah, JD McKissick. Marcus Mariota. Sony Michel. And Jerry Alexander. This one has to be numbered. 8 of 25. Jerry Alexander to the Green Bay Packers. He goes to Big Breeley. Nice hit. Look at how nice looking the card is. Pretty neat. There we go. Nice hit. 8 of 25. Nice low number. Pretty neat. And our first hit. Not bad. We got Bull Scarborough for the Dallas Cowboys. Bull Scarborough. Dallas Cowboy. Rookie autograph. Nice hit. It's not numbered. Sweet hit for the Cowboys. Also goes to Big Breeley. Nice hit. Cowboys. Pretty neat. Not bad. All right, so we got Josh Adam, Baker Mayfield, Vontae Davis, Alex Smith, Ryan Allen, Patrick Richard, then Carson Wentz. Here's a nice one. Oh, we got a big hitter after this, guys. Carson Wentz, 52 of 100. Pretty neat. We got a big hit. If that's going to be an autograph, it's going to be crazy. Here you go, Carson Wentz. Not bad. Pretty neat looking card. All right, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Saquon Barkley, 3 of 3. Boom! And you guys didn't get a look at it. Look at that. 3 of 3. Wow. Boom! Boom! Sick hit. Boom goes to the Giants. Shinjin 800. Sick hit, Saquon Barkley. 3 of 3. Wow. Sick hit. Wow. That's crazy. Firework. Those are called firework. Wow. Yeah, I think it's easily 1,000 because I saw these out of 5 and not even autographed, and they're over 200 or $100. This is crazy. Crazy. Yeah, we still have one more box. That's how we hit something good. But look at this. Saquon Barkley firework. 3 of 3. 3 of 3. Sick hit. Wow. Goes for the Giants. New York Giants. Shin Jin 800. Sick hit. Wow. There we go. Let's leave it there. Let's keep going. Got Nathan Shepard. Raquan Smith. Ezekiel Assad. Justin Hardy. Mitchell Trubisky. Jamon Moore. And you got Darren Payne. 32 of 75. Nice hit for the Redskin. Goes to Burville Hermit. Yeah, man, that's unreal. we've been pulling a lot of fire. I think there's only a couple of mixer that we hit decent hit, but everything else has been pretty good. Pretty neat. All right, guys. So almost done here. Let's save this last hit for last. I got Carlton Davis and James Washington. All right, guys. And the last hit, we have DJ Moore, 1 color patch. Should be numbered. Yep, 30 of 50 to the Panthers. And the Panthers goes to David. Nice hit. Yeah, we pull Troy Aikman 101 from Certified Cut. That was crazy. Pull a lot of good cards. All right, not bad. Pretty neat. All right, guys, let's move this down so I won't bump it. All right, guys, last box. Good luck, everybody. Eight cards per pack, 8 packs per box, 3 hits. Good luck, everybody. I don't even know if Shinjin's in the room. I know he's new. He's new. All right. He's a new buyer on my eBay too, so. But he'll probably watch it later. Crazy, crazy hit. That's a sweet looking card. All right, let's pull fire, guys. Oh, this last box. First box was amazing. It was good. Crazy. All right, down to the last pack. Good luck, everybody. Let's pull fire. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, we got Corey Lindsey, Nick Sunberg, Jimmy Garoppolo, Amari Cooper, and then we have Mike Singletary. Mike Singletary should be out of 200. Yep, 149 of 200 goes to the Chicago Bears. I got Nick Chubb, Mason Rudolph, B.J. Hill, Alex Collin, London Collin, Todd Davis, Kerryon Johnson, got Michael Thomas for the Saint, 41 of 100 for the Saint, Rob Gronkowski, Luke Flack, Mekhi Fitzpatrick, and Devontae Booker. We got Mac Hack, Patrick Chung, Darren Payne, and we got Jalen Ramsey, 59 of 75 for the Jaguar. Goes to Brian Wallum. Pretty neat. All right, nice hit. And then our next hit, not bad. We have Bradley Chubb. Not bad for the Broncos. Broncos goes to T. Mimic. Nice rookie patch autograph. Nice hit, Bradley Chubb for the Broncos. Sweet hit. There you go. Pretty neat. Bradley Chubb. Sweet hit. I got DJ Chark. Hayden Hurst. Olsen Perry. Chris Hogan. Marcus Kemp. Tender Lee. We got a Blink cardboard. We got Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. 123 of 150. Sweet. And then Joe Nemeth. Duke Dawson. Mike White. Kyle Long. And Jason Peter. And I got James Hurst. Marvin Hall. John Kelly. 29 of 150 for the Rams. Amari Cooper. Darius Grice. Josh Sweat. DeAndre Hopkins. Sam Shield goes to the Rams. Peyton Barber. Marquise Vando-Scantling. And a Baker Mayfield. 96 of 100 to the Browns. Pretty neat. Browns goes to PJREJR 2009. I think that's James. Not bad, James. There you go. Pretty neat. Baker Mayfield. Yeah, so a nice card. All right, guys. And next hit, we have Mark Walton. Bengals goes to David. Nice. Got rookie patch autograph of Mark Walton for the Bengals. Nice hit, David. Pretty sweet. All right, Mark Watson. Nice hit. I think we got one hit left. I got Cedric Wilson Jr., Mike Gesicki, LaShawn McCoy, Teddy Bridgewater, Alex Erickson, Marcel Aitman. It's just shine, so it's not numbered. Jesse Bates should be all 200. 165 of 200. Bengals. And then Sterling Sharper, Auden Tate, Tremaine Edmond, Matthew Stafford, Bobo Wilson, Eldrick Rosa, Drew Kaser, and then Josh Gordon. 83 of 200. Dazel Word and Breland Speak. Alright, guys, and our last hit, we have RFDM Panthers DJ Moore. DJ Moore. Did we get DJ Moore earlier? Yeah, we did. We pulled a DJ Moore earlier, but this one is Shine, and it's out of 50. Or not Shine, but we're all out of 50. And now we got a base one, DJ Moore. Pretty neat for the Panthers. Goes to David. Here you go, David. Nice hit. All right, guys, let's do a hit recap. We got some sweet hit here. Just a little 2-box Unparalleled. All right, let's do some hit recap. We got DJ Moore, Panthers. DJ Moore, 30 of 50, Panthers. They got Mark Walton, rookie patch autograph to the Bengals. They got Baker Mayfield, 96 of 100. Sweet hit. Yeah, this is a sick 2-box break, guys. Bradley Chubb, rookie patch autograph to the Broncos. Jalen Ramsey, 59 of 75. Darren Payne, 32 of 75 for the Redskins. Carson Wentz, 52 of 100. Nice hit here, too. And they got Bo Scarborough to the Cowboys. Just a base auto, but still pretty neat. Then Jerry Alexander, 8 of 25. Nice low number to the Packers. And guys, if you guys missed this, check this out, guys. Saquon Barkley, sick hit. 3 of 3 to the New York Giants. Man, this card can resell for a lot of money, guys. It's hard. I don't even think the other 2 is even pulled yet. So it's like 3 of 3. Sick hit. Pretty neat. Wow. All right, guys. That's it for eBay break 2018 Unparalleled Football 2-box break number 3. Sick 2-box. All right, guys. Thank you, guys.